How activity-based management innovates. It was first proposed by an American professor, namely Eric Kohler. The guide idea of activity-based costing method is cost object consume operations and operations consume resources. Activity-based costing rate direct costs and indirect costs, including period expenses, equally as the cost of product or service consumption's operation, broaden the scope of cost calculation and make the calculate product or service cost more accurate and truer. Arise from the concept of activity-based costing by making the cost and operating information that gained during activity-based costing useful in providing value analysis, cost driver, and performance measures to support improvement effort and improve decision making at both operating and strategy level. Activity-based management system provide the relevant cost information about an organization business cost, where the investment money is being spent for, and what are the costs that are assigned to relevant activities. Activity-based management is the applications of activity-based costing data to manage product portfolio and business processes better. Advantage of activity-based management. The product cost is the full cost, and all expenses, as long as they are reasonable and effective, are all expenditure that are beneficial to the final enterprise value and should be included in the production cost. Emphasize the reasonableness and effectiveness of expenditure, regardless of whether it is directly or indirectly related to production. Activity-based costing focuses on the sources of expenses and costs when allocating indirect expenses and link the allocations of indirect expenses with the causes of these expenses. When allocating indirect costs, choosing diversified allocation standards or cost drivers greatly improve the attributions of costs and minimizing the proportions of indirect costs allocated according to human standards, which improve the accuracy of cost information.